In this video, we're diving into how GoHighLevel's Conversation AI and follow-up system can help you close twice as many sales without doubling your workload. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and here on Startup Wise, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter systems that bring in more clients and less chaos. Now, here's the deal. Everyone's talking about AI right now, but most of the hype is about flashy chatbots or random automation tools that sound great in theory and do almost nothing in real life. GoHighLevel's Conversation AI is different. It's not another widget. It's a fully integrated AI assistant that lives inside your CRM, talks to your leads 24/7, and follows up like a real salesperson. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, how to set it up, and why this one feature can literally change how you handle leads in 2025. Let's get into it. Why Conversation AI matters. So here's the truth. It doesn't matter how good your ads, landing pages, or offers are. If you don't respond to new leads fast, you lose them. People expect instant replies. If you make them wait a few hours, they've already talked to your competition or moved on. That's where GoHighLevel's Conversation AI comes in. Lets you respond to messages on autopilot, not with canned templates, but with smart, natural replies based on how your business actually talks. It can handle website chats, texts, DMs, Facebook messages, WhatsApp, and even TikTok comments. The goal isn't just to chat, it's to move people toward booking a call, buying your product, or taking the next step while you're busy doing other things. Imagine never having to check your phone ever again because your AI assistant already replied. What Conversation AI actually does. So GoHighLevel's Conversation AI is like hiring a digital assistant that lives inside your CRM. It can answer FAQs based on your website and uploaded knowledge. Qualify leads by asking questions like, what type of service are you looking for? Book appointments or send your booking link automatically. Follow up if someone stops responding. And the crazy part is, it sounds natural. It doesn't just spit out AI jargon. It responds based on your business tone. You can train it on your website, give it instructions about what to say or avoid, and even choose its personality. Now, it's not perfect, but when set up right, it's like having your own sales rep who never gets tired, never misses a lead, and never forgets to follow up. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, if you don't already have an account, I've got a link for you down below where you can get started with a free 14-day trial so you can try this feature out and see if it's going to work for you. So let's go ahead, log in, and show you how it works inside of GoHighLevel. All right, so there are two main ways to set up Conversation AI. So inside of GoHighLevel, let's go to option 1. This will be the default Autopilot bot. Now, this is the simple way. So here we are in settings. We'll go to settings, Conversation AI. Now it's actually moved, but this is a surefire way to get there. Go to AI agents, and then where they live now, it's under AI agents, under Conversation AI right here. So this is where we can go ahead and create our bot and then manage our knowledge base. So what's great about this is that it can also work through Facebook, Instagram, and SMS. But let's start with the live chat example since that's what most people use first. So here's the setup flow. Install the live chat widget on your website or funnel. Turn on Conversation AI and set its status to autopilot. Choose what channels it should manage. In this case, live chat. Set a short delay before it replies, like 10 seconds, so it feels more human. Limit the number of messages it sends, 25 max. You can even make the AI pause automatically when you or your team send a manual message, so it won't interrupt your real conversations. And the best part, you can train it directly on your website. That way, when someone asks, what services do you offer, it's actually pulling real info from your site instead of guessing. You can add up to 7 knowledge bases. So if you have multiple brands or pages, it can handle them all. So to create that bot, all you do is come up here, click on Create Bot, and then here you can choose one of these different options. There is the guided form setup. It's perfect for basic lead capturing and appointment booking, which doesn't require complex logic or condition. There's a prompt-based bot. So this is where you provide your own custom instructions or prompt for personalized lead capturing process, appointment booking, or general Q&A. And then there's the flow-based builder, which is currently free until the end of the year here. So this is a visual flow-based builder for advanced lead capturing and nurturing involving complex logics and conditions. So for what we just talked about, this guided form setup is probably the easiest as well as the quickest. They say it takes only 2 minutes right here. Option 2, the advanced workflow bot. All right, now here's where it gets really interesting. So if you want more control, like multi-step questions, lead qualifications, and follow-ups, you can use workflows instead of the basic autopilot setup. So inside the workflow builder, you can start with a trigger like customer replied, and then set the reply channel to live chat, SMS, or Instagram, depending on where your messages come from. Then you add a Conversation AI actions inside the workflow itself. Thanks for reaching out. Are you looking to book an appointment or just have a few questions first? If they say yes, it moves to the next step. And just like that, GoHighLevel GoHighLevel adds that info to the contact record automatically. Follow-ups that actually work. All right, so here's the biggest issue with most chatbots. When someone stops replying, the conversation just sort of dies. GoHighLevel fixed that. With the conversation AI follow-up system, if a lead doesn't respond, it waits a set amount of time and then sends a friendly message like, hey, you still there? Just wanted to check if you'd like to grab that free consultation. If they still don't reply, it follows up again later, maybe 24 hours after that. After 2 follow-ups, the system can automatically move that contact to a not booked pipeline stage so that your team can manually reach out or add them to another campaign. Real world example, how a marketing agency uses it. All right, let's take an example of a digital marketing agency that runs Facebook and TikTok ads. A potential client clicks one of their ads and lands on a GoHighLevel landing page. A chat bubble pops up. Hey there, want to learn how we can help you get more leads this month? The visitor types, yeah, sure. And then boom, the AI replies instantly. Awesome, are you looking for help with ads, websites, or both? They respond with ads, and then you can say, perfect. Can I grab your phone number so we can send over our calendar link? They type their number, the AI saves it automatically. Then the bot says, got it, thanks. You can book a call here. And then it'll produce the calendar link. If they don't click the link, 1 hour later, the AI follows up. Hey, just checking in. Would you like me to reserve a time for you? If still nothing happens after another day, it sends one more. No rush, just wanted to see if you're still interested. You can book anytime right here and it'll send the link again. That's 2 extra touch points that you didn't have to remember. Pricing and value. All right, now conversation AI isn't included in the free plan. It's a paid add-on. You can pay 2 cents per AI response, which is fine for small businesses, or upgrade to the $97 per month unlimited AI plan, which covers everything. So basically your sales assistant, writer, and customer support rep are all bundled into one. For agencies managing multiple clients, that's an easy win. Because if you can enable AI across all sub-accounts and even resell it as part of your service. What makes it different? So most CRMs have some version of chat automation, but GoHighLevel's advantage is that everything's connected. The AI isn't a separate bot that you have to bolt on. It's fully integrated with your CRM contact records. That means every message, reply, and lead is tracked automatically. And if you or your team jump into a conversation manually, the AI knows to back off. It pauses automatically so you don't both message the lead at once. That kind of human handoff makes it feel more natural than most automation systems out there. Honest limitations. All right, now let's keep it real here. Conversation AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. It still can't send attachments, images, or clickable buttons in every channel. That depends on the messaging platform's API. It can misunderstand certain niche or complex questions if your knowledge base isn't well trained. And when it comes to booking, it's usually better to have the bot send your calendar link instead of letting it pick available times. All right, here's some pro tips for better results. Now, if you're going to use conversation AI, then here's how to make it actually work. Train it well. Give it access to your website and detailed FAQs. The more it knows, the smarter it gets. Keep your tone casual. Don't make it sound robotic. Short, simple messages work best. Set realistic follow-ups. 1 hour and 24-hour delays are the sweet spots. Don't forget to review conversations. Use a chat history to improve your AI's responses over time. Use workflows for flexibility. The default bot is great, but workflows give you real control over tone, timing, and next steps. So in today's business landscape, speed and personalization are everything. People expect instant replies, but they still want it to feel human. GoHighLevel's conversation AI strikes that balance perfectly, but connected enough to know when to bring in a real person. So if you're tired of chasing leads manually, then this is the tool that can finally free you up to focus on closing deals. So if you want to try it yourself, then check out the link down in the description for a free 14-day trial of GoHighLevel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.